Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hello kids and parents! Today we will learn 70 plus food names. Let's start. Biryani. Biryani. This is biryani. Burger. Burger. This is burger. Nuggets. Nuggets. These are nuggets. Fries. Fries. These are fries. Pizza. Pizza. This is pizza. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. This is a cheeseburger. Hot dog. Hot dog. This is a hot dog. Taco. Taco. This is a taco. Wrap. Wrap. This is a wrap. Fish. Fish. This is a fish. Cheese. Cheese. This is cheese. Nachos. Nachos. These are nachos. Egg. Egg. This is an egg. Egg roll. Egg roll. This is an egg roll. Noodles. Noodles. These are noodles. Sushi. Sushi. This is an sushi. Ramen. Ramen. These are ramen. Pasta. Pasta. This is a pasta. Samosa. Samosa. This is a samosa. Ice cream. Ice cream. This is an ice cream. Jelly. Jelly. This is a jelly. Jam. Jam. This is a jam. Cereal. Cereal. These are cereals. Crackers. Crackers. These are crackers. Chocolate. Chocolate. This is chocolate. Chips. Chips. These are chips. Popcorn. Popcorn. These are popcorns. Pie. Pie. This is a pie. Cookie. Cookie. This is a cookie. Cake. Cake. This is a cake. Muffin. Muffin. This is a muffin. Pancake. Pancake. This is a pancake. Chicken. Chicken. This is a chicken. Rice. Rice. This is a rice. Lollipop. Lollipop. This is a lollipop. Marshmallow. Marshmallow. This is a marshmallow. Milk. Milk. This is a milk. Yogurt. Yogurt. This is a yogurt. Smoothie. Smoothie. This is a smoothie. Dumplings. Dumplings. These are dumplings. Toast. Toast. This is a toast. Donut. Donut. This is a donut. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.